This thing is absolutely worth the money if you're serious about aerial photography. But let me explain why. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've flown a lot of drones over the years, but the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo just feels like stepping into a whole different league. The Hasselblad 100MP sensor on the main camera is the real headline here. It's not just about megapixels, it's about the 4 of 3 CMOS sensor that actually captures way more detail in low light than anything I've used before. I took this out at golden hour last weekend and the colors in the raw files were so rich I barely needed to boost saturation in Lightroom. That's huge if you're shooting for clients who want natural-looking skies without extra editing work. What surprised me most was the telephoto setup. You get 2 telecameras, one 70mm and one 166mm, so you can frame distant subjects without losing quality. I used the 70mm to shoot a bald eagle perched on a tree branch from about 300 feet away, and the detail in the feathers was insane. The 166mm is even tighter, great for wildlife or sports when you can't get close. And because both telecameras are stabilized by the 360 Infinity gimbal, you still get smooth footage even when the drone is moving. I've had telephoto footage ruined by jello effect before, but not here. Night flying is where this drone really shines. The Nightscape omnidirectional vision system uses multiple sensors to avoid obstacles in pitch darkness, and the main camera's 0.1 lux low light performance lets you shoot usable footage without a bright moon. I tested it at a local lake after sunset, no streetlights, just the glow of the city across the water, and the footage came out clean enough to use in a project without heavy noise reduction. That's a game saver if you're doing real estate twilight shots or urban nightscapes. Battery life is another area where DJI knocked it out of the park. The Creator Combo comes with 3 batteries, each giving around 51 minutes of flight time. I flew 3 full batteries in one session last month and still had juice left for a short hover. That kind of endurance means fewer battery swaps and more time actually shooting. The O4 Plus transmission system also deserves a shout-out. It pushes a clean 1080p signal up to 30 kilometers, which is overkill for most people but reassuring if you're flying in remote areas. I tested it at 12 kilometers with no dropouts, and the latency was low enough for smooth manual control. The remote is a big upgrade too. It's got a 7-inch rotatable screen that's bright enough to see even in direct sunlight, and it swivels so you can hand it to a client or operator without awkward angles. The sticks are magnetic and fold in, which is a small detail but makes a difference when you're tossing the remote into a bag. DJI also includes a 512GB internal SSD in the combo, so you can start recording immediately without worrying about SD card swaps. I filled it up on a single shoot and still had room, which is nice when you're capturing 100MP stills and 4K video. The Creator Combo bundle is well thought out. You get the drone, 3 batteries, the remote, the 512GB SSD, a 128GB SD card, a backpack, and a 2-year warranty. That's everything you need to start flying right away, and the backpack fits everything snugly with room for a laptop and accessories. The warranty is a nice touch too. DJI's customer service is solid, and having 2 years of coverage takes the stress out of accidental damage. Now, it's not perfect. The drone is heavy, close to 4 pounds with the Hasselblad camera, so you'll need to register it in most countries and follow local drone laws. That means more paperwork and possibly insurance depending on where you fly. Also, while the telephoto cameras are great, switching between them mid-flight can be a bit clunky in the app. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to get used to. Overall, if you're a creator, filmmaker, or photographer who needs pro-level aerial imagery, this is one of the best investments you can make. The image quality, flight time, and safety features are all top tier, and the bundle gives you everything you need without extra shopping. Whether you're shooting real estate, weddings, documentaries, or just your own creative projects, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers. Check it out using the link below if you want to see more details.